Hello traders, this is Forex Nelson and I am back today and I'm very excited to introduce to you a new trading system. My new system is called Super Scalper with the Super Signal Indicator. This Super Scalper comes complete with obviously the scalper here. This is this blue and yellow. Has a gold line, and most important, it has the super signal indicator. Now, it also has oscillators down here at the bottom, and these four drive the super signal indicator. You can put this super signal indicator on any system and it will immediately make it a much better trading system. It helps to find the beginning of the up and down cycles within the market. And this is great for traders who love to scalp the market either on the 5 or the 15-minute time frame. You can even do it on the 1 minute, but for me there's just too much noise on the 1 minute, so I don't use it on the 1 minute. But if you love the 1 minute, well, you're going to love this super scalper indicator. Like I said, the super scalper along with the super signal, not only will you love it, for me it gives a very high success rate, especially when I'm looking every day for a unique setup that is called a great way to trade. It's at least 95% success rate for me. Now you will get an audio sound and a pop-up box right here, like where it says the pair, time frame, scalping, either buy or sell alert. Now the other ones here are part of the super signal indicator. And as usual, every morning, 6 o'clock, New York time, right here, I'm in front of the charts, looking at all the different instruments, and of course, keeping an eye on my daily trade plan. And once I establish the fact that I want to be buying or selling, I manually put in this white arrow, either up or down, depending if I'm buying and or selling. Now, as I mentioned, here's my daily trade plan EA. It's an expert advisor. All the trades I've taken today came directly from the daily trade plan, whether it's selling or buying. Would not trade without it, has high value, and I highly recommend that you get it. If you are trading without some kind of a daily trade plan, well, that's a very good reason why you are not succeeding at trading. If you have any questions about this daily trade plan, well, just Skype me. As I said, did 9 trades today. They were all winners. And now we can take a look at some of these trades. First one, pound yen. Now I sold every one except for this dollar CAD. So let's run a check and drag this up and see where I got in at. So I knew I wanted to be selling, and it almost qualified for a great way to trade, but I knew it was going to go down. Now it doesn't mean I'm going to get 100 or more pips, but I knew I was going to get something. And something is all I'm after. And that something is 200 or more pips or ticks, combination of 5 to 10 trades. So I took the trade at this cursor right here, closed it out, locking in about 16 pips, and that paid out $111. Okay, let's move on to the next trade. The only one that I bought was the dollar CAD. As you can clearly see, market's going up. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan, super signal arrow here. It was very easy decision to make to buy. And that's exactly what I did. I bought it right here. And I closed it out at this location with about 17 pips, and that paid out $135. Okay, moving on to the next trade, which is crude oil. This one pays $10 for each tick, and looking at the money, this should be 15. Okay, let's drag and drop this up. I sold it. There's the arrow. That's where I got in at, did one more cycle, and then finally it went down according to my daily trade plan. Should be showing 15. If I close it out down here, it'd be up about 40. But there it is right there, 15 ticks, and that paid out $150. Okay, moving on to the next trade I did, the Dow Jones. This one pays $5 for each tick. Took the money, divided by 5, and the calculator says it should be 46. Let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. I knew I was going to be selling. That's why I put in the white arrow here. Finally got an arrow over here. Remember, all indicators and the daily trade plan and all expert advisors, they're all lagging. But once you learn how to trade with them, trading will become easy and a lot of fun. Okay, got in at this cursor right here. I sold it. And what did I say? 46. There it is right there, 46 ticks, and that paid out $230. Moving on to the next trade, pound dollar. Now because the USD is on the right hand side, this pays $10 for each pip. Looking at the money, this should be 30. So let's drag and drop this up. Everything perfect, lining up for a great way to trade. Just waited for any kind of a bit of a pullback, and that was this blue candle. Then it was time to get in. Got in at this point, and it should be showing about 30. There it is right there, 30 pips, and that paid out $300. Okay, time to move on to the next trade, the S&P 500. This one pays $5 for each tick, so I took the money, divided by 5. Calculator says it should be 60 ticks, so let's drag and drop this up, see where I got in at. Here was the pullback, a little slow at getting in the trade, but if you're a conservative trader, you would wait for the arrow from the super signal. That's exactly what I did. I got in. I knew I was going to get something. Doesn't mean it's going to get 100 or more. But anyhow, wasn't too far from 100. It's still a 60 and nothing wrong with that. There it is there. And those 60 ticks paid out $300. Okay, let's check out this gold I traded. I sold it, so let's see. Gold. There's the arrow from the daily trade plan. Did qualify for a great way to trade. Scalper was in a sell position. Remember, blue we're buying and yellow we're selling. So let's see where I got in at on this trade. There was an arrow here, here, here from the super signal. I got in, any kind of a bit of a pullback. I was happy with that. And I closed it out here. If I was still in a trade, I'd be making more. What did I say? It's going to be about 42. There it is right there, 42.6. Hey, I got it right on, as a matter of fact. So those 42 ticks paid out $426. Moving on to the next trade, which is the Russell. Russell pays $10 for each tick. Looking at the money, this should be 46, so let's see where I got in at. There's the arrow, super signal. took the trade, and as I said, it should be 46. There it is right there, 46 ticks. That paid out $460. Moving on to the last trade here, the NASDAQ. Love trading the NASDAQ. Wanted to be selling it. Everything looking great for shorting. Let's drag and drop this up. Super signal said to sell, so that's exactly what I did. I sold it. So I took the money divided by 20, and the calculator says it should be approximately 24. There it is right there, 24. You remove the last two digits, and those 24 ticks paid out $476. So another great day of trading using my new Super Scalper trading system with the Super Signal Indicator. I knew it was going to be over 200 pips and ticks. Grand total for today came to 276 pips and ticks, and all of those pips and ticks paid out $2,589. So if your system's not producing on a daily basis like my Super Scalper, well, I recommend you get it, and don't forget about the daily trade plan. Now, if you have any questions or if you want to buy, all you got to do is look right below the video, and you will get my contact information and a lot of other information. So if you look right below the video, now this video is from yesterday, so it has yesterday's information. But if you look right below the video, you will see this button that says Show More. Now if you just click on it, it'll open up another window, and then you're just going to scroll down. Now I really do prefer to use Skype when we connect. All you got to do is click on this link. Even if you think you don't have Skype, well, if you've got a computer, tablet, cell phone, nowadays everything is connected to Microsoft, so Microsoft account, so we will automatically have Skype connection, and at that point I can answer your questions. So I want to point out that there's 4 things you need to succeed at trading. You're going to need a lot of chart time, a lot of demo trading, a lot of education, and a daily trade plan. Now if you leave your name and email address, I'll put you on my email list for free weekly trading tips. So if you scroll down further, now there's 4 different packages, and I charge $250 for each package. Remember, this is from yesterday's video when I was doing the pip trigger system, which is a great system. But starting today, and when you see the video, you will see number 1, Super Scalper System. Now what I've done was, if you buy individually, each is $250. One of my special offers is if you buy 2, I'll give you 1 for free. Now the other special limited time offer is if you buy the Super Scalper System, and for $50 more, so that'll be grand total of $300, I will give you the 4th package, Easy Trader System with the Super Signal Indicator. So that's a $200 discount off of this. If you add both of them together, it would be $500. It's a $200 discount, or it's a 40% discount. And the training videos, there's 22. Actually, I'll be changing this to 24. I did 2 more training videos, so there's 24. You'll see that in tomorrow's video, or the next day. The next time I show my trades, there will be 24 for this Super Scalper, 24 training videos. This one still remains at 20. How I Trade Live Advanced Trading Tips. Now each video is up to about 30 minutes long each. So there is a lot of training and education in each package. Then of course we have the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor, 4 training videos, and of course the Easy Trader has 4 videos. They focus, each of those to focus on the sessions. As you scroll down, obviously this will say Super Scalper, and it'll have a write-up of everything that I am teaching, which will be a lot. How I Trade Live, same thing, everything I'm teaching is quite a bit, plus many more trading tips. Here is the Daily Trade Plan Expert Advisor, like I said, 4 training videos covering the 3 sessions. Same thing for the Easy Trader with the Super Signal Indicator. Now remember, for the extra $50 you'll be getting this package also, which I highly recommend. I would never ever trade without the Super Signal Indicator. Wouldn't trade any system, any system you may have. You put this Super Signal Indicator, it'll make it a much better trading system. So this one has the same 4 training videos covering the 3 sessions. Now if you have any questions or if you want to buy, just pick up the phone and call me. Here's my number. I live in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. You can also send me an email. Here's my email address. Here's another Skype connection right here. All you got to do is click on it. I wanted to inform you that once you buy it, any package, once you buy it, you have it, you own it, and there's no way I can take it back because you already have it. You'll have a copy of it, and so for that particular reason, please note that there are no refunds. So, just about time to wrap up this video. And of course, if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So until the next trading day and video, I want to wish you good luck with your trading, and remember to keep yourself and your family safe. Okay, bye for now.